Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. Welcome to my channel. Today I made a cute origami backpack. If you have A4 size color papers at home, then you can make these cute little origami backpacks. Let's make it together. So first we'll need to fold an A4 paper and make a square shaped paper. I'll also need the cutted paper, so I'll put it aside. Now I'll fold the paper into a back shape. I'll show you the folding process slowly. Just follow me. Now I'll fold the paper into thirds. Roll up the paper, mark the size like this and fold it. Turn the paper and fold it again. If you fold it like this, then you can easily fold it into thirds. Now unfold two sheets of paper facing each other. Fold the paper so that the diagonal line goes inward. Now fold the paper down. Fold the other side just like the previous one. Now apply some glue between the gaps to fix it. Now fold the lead paper in half. Now I'm going to put the sides inside. Use your fingernails to draw a diagonal line at the end. This will hold the shape and fold well inward. Do the same for the other side. The basic folding of the bag is finished. Now I'm going to attach a bag strap and draw a picture to decorate it. So I'll need the cutout paper which I kept aside. Fold the paper into a triangle shape to make a square shape paper. Now I'll fold the pocket with this square shape paper. Now I'm gonna apply some glue. Now I'll attach it with the bag. Now I'm gonna make two back straps with the rest of the paper. also make a loop for the top of the bag. In order to make it cute, I'm gonna draw a cute face on it. And that's it! Our cute origami backpack is ready to use. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon and comment below what I should make next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.